new moon in Aries is about more energy. I need, I explore, I start, I am, and I jump. The moon and the sun are in between Mercury and Uranus. This is an eccentric new project, or the reassessment, the restarting of a project, perhaps put aside for the moment. It's about thinking outside of the square and looking at ways to rekindle, restart something new this month. The global picture for the new moon in Aries. The Greenwich Mean Time chart shows the new moon in the 8th house. The ruler of the 8th house is Jupiter at the midheaven. So we're going to see a financial burden. We're going to see exports and changing commodities around the globe. There will be some kind of success or push outwards with regards to debt around the world. It's going to be interesting to see how it pans out with Jupiter and Black Moon Lilith, which is an overkill, pushing too hard, spending too much, too higher costs to pay. The grand square between Mars, Chiron and the nodes is an underdog energy. It's a painful internal mechanism that's powering away like a dynamo. This is actually going to produce more energy. On a global sense, this is something that is going to be powering like a motor within. On an individual basis, there are different factors involved, and perhaps there's going to be a fear of failure, and that is the thing that motivates us towards success, the energy. The symptoms for the new moon in Aries 2012 include the beginning of the end, surprising reassessments, the underdog quality, more driven energy, a high cost, embarrassment. Jupiter and Black Moon represent a kind of embarrassment, and enough energy to get the job done. For individuals, there's a sense of failure, or a fear of failure with the grand square between Mars, Chiron and the nodes. This Aries infancy and the instinct to survive is a driven factor. The skills and the efforts to succeed in the face of failing is too painful. There's nothing to lose except for skin. To think outside of the square and to act on impulse is an extraordinary experience.